To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner to open your profile. Now, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. At the top of the page, navigate to Account Center. Under Account Settings, choose Password and Security. Next, under the Security Check section, select where you're logged in. Now select your Instagram account to continue. You will then see a list of all devices where your Instagram account is currently logged in, along with their locations and last active times. Your current device appears at the top, with all other devices listed below. If you don't recognize a device and want to log out, tap Select Devices to log out. Select the checkbox next to the device you wish to log out. Then tap Log Out. From the confirmation menu, tap Log Out to confirm. This will immediately sign your account out from the selected device, preventing any further access from them until you log in again. It helps you monitor account activity and secure your Instagram by identifying and managing all devices where you're logged in. So that's how you can see and manage where your Instagram account is logged in.